Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today is Tuesday and also there is a lineup of festivals, but the most recent one is the Raksha Bandhan. And for this Raksha Bandhan I am making a bomb. Yes, it's a pancake bomb. Yes, it's so cute, so fluffy that you are just going to drool over it before putting inside your mouth, and when you put it inside your mouth you are just going to blast with happiness. Why? Because it's full of flavor, chocolate or whatever flavor you want. I have taken two flavors, one is your strawberry and one is your Nutella, but you can try with other flavors even. So let's begin with it. So for this lovely, awesome pancake bombs, I am going to take a big mixing bowl and I am going to first prepare the batter. So for this I am taking all-purpose flour. You can take wheat flour even. I have taken maida. Here goes the baking powder. Some baking soda goes into it. That would help in rising. Yes, it would help in the flour to or the batter to rise. Here goes the powdered sugar. If you are conscious about sugar, then add sugar free, stevia, erythritol, whatever you like, and give it a magic mix. This will help in mixing up of the baking powder, sugar and baking soda inside the mixture. Or you can sieve it also. Simply put a sieve and put all the ingredients over it and sieve it also. Otherwise give it a good magic mix. And now comes the wet ingredient. Here goes the vanilla essence. Some oil goes into it. I am using normal vegetable oil. If you want to use butter, then melt the butter. Use warm butter, but should not use cold butter. And now I am going to add milk. All the ingredients, that is your wet ingredients, should be at room temperature. It should not be either cold or hot. It can be warm but not hot. So now I am going to give a magic mix. So give it a good mix so that all the ingredients gets easily incorporated and it forms a batter. If you are afraid of mixing it at a go, then add the milk slowly or gradually and then give it a good mix. Remove all the clumps or lumps, whatever is there, remove it. And as you mix, it will form a lovely batter. This is my pancake bomb batter. See the thickness I'll show you of the batter so that you can understand. If it is quite thick, then add a little bit more of water into it. See my batter is done and I'll show you. See, can you see the thickness? Lovely. It's awesome. Perfect. And now my batter is done. Here I am filling a bottle which has two holes in it, one for pouring and one for taking out the air. This is a bottle which I got it free, I don't know from where. But if you don't have any bottle for pouring the pancake, you can use a piping bag for it. Fill the piping bag, slit it and you can use it. If you are using the bottle, then fill it 3/4. And see, this is, I have used the chocolate Nutella, that also I have filled it up in a piping bag and I am just slicing the edge of it so that I can squeeze out from the piping bag. And now my half the batter is left, which I am going to make it afterward. So now I am greasing an appam maker. Yes, this is an appam pan. This is a beautiful pan. I love it. And you have to just grease it. You can make lovely things in it. If you don't have, then you can use a muffin tray and you can bake it even, or use small vessels like your small bowls and cook it in a pan. So now I am filling the appam pan. Half fill I am going to do it. That is, I am going to fill it half. So fill all the holes of the appam pan. This is basically a South Indian pan they make it. The appe is a South Indian word. So I'm filling it halfway through. Fill up all the holes of it. This looks so lovely. Actually, this is a jalebi maker. So fill up all the holes of the appe pan. And after filling it half, now I'm going to drop some chocolate Nutella into it. Yes, drop a hearty portion so that when you bite into it, you get totally mesmerized, indulge in the flavor. So add it hearty portion, add a good portion of it. And now I'm going to again cover this Nutella portion with the pancake batter. Yes. So now again I'm going to pour the pancake batter over it, and while pouring the batter I'm going to fill the holes, cover up all the Nutella portion, cover it up properly so that it's not visible. Now you must be thinking, why haven't I added into the other half filled batter? Why haven't I added Nutella? Yes, to that I am going to add the strawberry jam. Yes, my second flavor. So I am dropping a good portion of it, trying to drop it with the help of my fingers. You can drop it through a piping bag even. And again I am going to cover the jam portion even. You can be creative, you can use anything. You can use marmalade, pineapple jam, or crush even, strawberry crush, pineapple crush, whatever you want. You can add fruits even, fresh fruits like blueberries or your apple. That would also taste good. This is a good way of serving the pancake in a different way. So I'm sprinkling some oil over it, and I'm going to let it cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes on medium to slow flame, and it would be done from one side. See, I'll show you with the help of the fork. I am going to just see if it's done or not. See, I'll show you. Let me see. I think so it's done. Yes, I can see the brown color. Beautiful. So now I'm tossing and turning it. I'm going to turn each and every pancake bombs so that it gets cooked from the other side even. Yes, I have to cook it from the other side even. So turn up all the pancake bombs so that it gets cooked from the other side. And within 2 to 3 minutes it will get cooked up from the other side even. So now I'm going to sprinkle some oil and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And my pancake bombs are done. Yes, they are perfectly cooked. See, now I'm going to take it out with the help of the fork. This looks lovely. Beautifully fluffed up balls. They are pancake balls, you can say, pancake bombs, whatever you want to call, you can call it. But once you put it in your mouth, you are just going to enjoy it. And this is the perfect finger food even you can prepare for your parties or for your small get-together or as a variety in your breakfast. And also I'm going to make it for the Raksha Bandhan because it's a very easy pick-up food which you can put it inside the mouth of the person you're going to tie Rakhi, and he will forget about everything, only indulge in the flavor of this pancake bomb. So my pancake bombs are perfectly cooked and they look so pretty. So now I'm going to plate it. See, here I've plated it. Those are my Rakhis. I'm just trying to squeeze out, open up the bomb and see how juicy and how fluffy it's from inside, filled up with the Nutella. Perfect one. And here comes the strawberry jam one. See, this is even looking lovely, awesome. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make these lovely bombs. Yes, pancake bombs. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. The perfect recipe for the Raksha Bandhan. So I hope you are going to make it, and do share your views. I would love to hear about it, and do share pics even. Thank you.